Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Once again, welcome back to R.H. Educational channel. Today, this is my 9th video and 5th video for counting numbers from 41 to 50. In previous classes, we already got rid from 1 to 40 numbers and we acquired knowledge how to use these numbers in Arabic. If you don't see these videos, please go through links mentioned in descriptions and watch them, as they will be very helpful to understand number in Arabic. And today we will increase our knowledge about numbers from 41 to 50. So let's start the lesson. Now see 41 number. For 41 number we use in Arabic Wahid warbaun. Wahid warbaun means 41. See the example. 41 cups. For 41 cups we can say in Arabic Wahidun wa arba'una finjanan. Wahidun wa arba'una finjanan. Now see 42 number. For 42 number we use in Arabic Ithnani wa arba'un. Ithnani wa arba'un means 42. See the example. 42 cups. For 42 cups we can say in Arabic Ithnani wa arba'una finjanan. Ithnani wa arba'una finjanan. Now see 43 number. For 43 number we use in Arabic Salasatun wa arba'un. Salasatun wa arba'un means 43. See the example. 43 cups. For 43 cups we can say in Arabic Thalathatun wa arba'una finjanan. Thalathatun wa arba'una finjanan. Now say 44 number. For 44 number we use in Arabic Arba'atun wa arba'un. Arba'atun wa arba'un means 44. See the example. 44 cups. For 44 cups we can say in Arabic Arba'atun wa arba'una finjanan. Arba'atun wa arba'una finjanan. Now see 45 number. For 45 number we use in Arabic Khamsatun wa arba'un. Khamsatun wa arba'un means 45. See the example. 45 cups. For 45 cups we can say in Arabic Khamsatun wa arba'una finjanan. Khamsatun wa arba'una finjanan. Now see 46 number. For 46 number we use in Arabic Sittatun wa arba'un. Sittatun wa arba'un means 46. For example, 46 cups. For 46 cups we can say in Arabic Sittatun wa arba'una finjanan. Sittatun wa arba'una finjanan. Now say 47 number. For 47 number we use in Arabic Sab'atun wa arba'un. Sab'atun wa arba'un means 47. See the example. 47 cups. For 47 cups we can say in Arabic Sab'atun wa arba'una finjanan. Sab'atun wa arba'una finjanan. Now see 48 number. For 48 number we use in Arabic Thamaniyatun wa arba'un. Thamaniyatun wa arba'un means 48. See the example. 48 cups. For 48 cups we can say in Arabic Thamaniyatun wa arba'una finjanan. Thamaniyatun wa arba'una finjanan. Now see 49 number. For 49 number we use in Arabic Tis'atun wa arba'un. Tis'atun wa arba'un means 49. See the example. 49 cups. For 49 cups, we can say in Arabic, تسعة وأربعون فنجانا. تسعة وأربعون فنجانا. Now see 50 number. For 50 number, we use in Arabic khamsun. Khamsun means 50. See the example? 50 cups. For 50 cups, we can say in Arabic, khamsuna finjanan. Khamsuna finjanan. Now revise the lesson. Wahidun warba'un. Wahidun warba'un means 41. Ithnani warba'un. Ithnani warba'un means 42. Thalathatun warba'un. Thalathatun warba'un means 43. Arba'atun warba'un. Arba'atun warba'un means 44. Khamsatun warba'un. Khamsatun warba'un means 45. Sittatun warba'un. Sittatun warba'un means 46. Sab'atun warba'un. Sab'atun warba'un means 47. Samaniyatun warba'un. Samaniyatun warba'un means 48. Tis'atun warba'un. Tis'atun warba'un means 49. Khamsun. Khamsun means 50. Now this is the time for quizzes. There are 5 questions, and for every question there are 4 options. You have to choose the right one. So first question, which one is number 49? Which one is number 49? Options are A. Sab'atun warba'un, B. Wahidun warba'un, C. Tis'atun warba'un, D. Khamsun. Now see second question. Which one is number 42? Which one is number 42? Options are A. Ithnani warba'un, B. Arba'atun warba'un, C. Sittatun warba'un, D. Thamaniyatun warba'un. Third question, which one is number 48? Which one is number 48? Options are A. Arba'atun warba'un, B. Thamaniyatun warba'un, C. Khamsun, D. Wahidun warba'un. Now fourth question, which one is number 41? Which one is number 41? Options are A. Wahidun warba'un, B. Tis'atun warba'un, C. Sab'atun warba'un, D. Khamsatun warba'un. Fifth question, which one is number 45? Which one is number 45? Options are A. Ithnani warba'un, B. Thamaniyatun warba'un, C. Thalathatun warba'un, D. Khamsatun warba'un. So I think you have received sufficient knowledge about numbers from 1 to 50, and you are kindly requested to memorize these 50 numbers so that you can use perfectly in daily life. So see you again inshallah in next video. Thank you very much.